Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to create your own custom Bitmoji and install it on your phone so you could use it in your next text message. I'm going to use the App Store here and I'm going to look for Bitmoji here, and it's available on Google Play for Android as well. I've deleted mine on this phone so I could show you the entire process. So once you do find Bitmoji, go ahead and download the app. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you how to create your own Bitmoji. So you could log in using Snapchat if you have Snapchat, or you could sign up via email. I'm gonna sign up with email for the first time here. I'm just gonna type in my birthday. A lot of apps here, especially for social media, do require you to be at least 12 years old. Then you could type in your name here and fill out the rest of the information. And now you could create your custom Bitmoji. So pick your sex here. I'm male, obviously. You could either start with a selfie or skip. I'm gonna skip here. Then you could go ahead and choose your skin tone here and go through the list. So next is your hair. And you could go through all these different facial hairs and so on. You could go through all these and pick your best choices here. And then eventually you'll get to body type. You could choose your body type and you could choose an outfit here. And then when you're all said and done, go ahead and press the check mark here. And now it's gonna let you turn on your Bitmoji keyboard. So I'm gonna just go through the process of how to do it. So for an iPhone here, it says go to settings, Bitmoji, tap keyboard and turn on keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the process based on what it's telling me to do here. So you go to settings, that's the setting of your phone. So if I'm on the main page here, it's under the app section. So you just scroll all the way down under all the apps that you have, select Bitmoji, go to keyboard and then turn on Bitmoji. And then you could give it full access as well if you want to, or if you don't want to, you just don't have to allow that. It will still create that keyboard for you. So now, if you go to your text messages, you should have this Bitmoji icon. If you select that, it's gonna have the Bitmoji that you created. So as you could see, I could just go ahead and through my text message, send this to people because I enabled the Bitmoji option here in the keyboard. Let me go back to the app here. I'm just gonna press finish. If I didn't do that, I would have to select them here and I would have to save that image or copy it on my phone. So you could always do that too. You could always use the app. As you could see on the bottom of the app, I could select different categories here. I could select one that I like and I could go ahead and save that image. And it will add it to my photos here. So if I go to my photo library here, it's been added to my photo, so I could use that to send as a text message. So here, if I wanted to do that, I could just access my photos here and select it that way. But the Bitmoji keyboard option is a lot easier. So if you have an Android, just follow the process of setting up your Bitmoji on the keyboard through the keyboard shortcuts as well. And that's really all you need to know about the Bitmoji app on Android and iPhone. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.